Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Tradingview on a laptop Windows in 2026. So Tradingview works in two different ways on Windows. You can either use it in your web browser or you can also install the official Tradingview desktop application. So here I'm going to show you both of these ways and I will also show you how you can install it properly. So first of all, in your Windows laptop, you first need to click on this Microsoft Store option. After that, you just have to use the search bar here on the top. Then you need to simply search for Tradingview for Windows or Tradingview. Now, when you search for Tradingview application here, you will find Tradingview in Microsoft Store very easily. So after selecting it, you can click on the option of Get, then wait for some time until it is installing on your PC, and this way you can basically install it in your Windows laptop very easy. Now you can also open your web browser first. After that, in the search bar you can just simply search for Tradingview for Windows. After searching for it, you will find the first link from the Tradingview official website. So after clicking on it, you can click on the option of for Windows. Then you can download its setup here. Once the installation is completed, you can double click on it and install it on your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.